healing groom.
All right, so today's the date scheduled for a jail review, and counsel, I understand that you just got that information this morning. It had just been finalized because the probation was waiting for some proof that was supposed to have been sent from Ms. Johnson. Ms. Johnson was sentenced to 5 days jail on a probation violation. That was on May 31st. The court suspended that jail with the jail review July 18th. Also 30 days on the Wayne County tether beginning June 16th. The jail review was held on July 18th, and we adjourned it to today's date. And ma'am, you were supposed to have provided proof of your outpatient counseling. So where's that proof? That was one thing that probation was waiting for before they put this forth. Where's that proof?
Sorry. I haven't been able to get it. It's all of those are full or not accepting my insurance. Like I'm having
all
trouble.
Of what is full? All of what is full?
The outpatient, like I'm trying to find, like they're not accepting new patients. Like I'm trying to find one that accepts my insurance because I can't afford to pay out of pocket.
Okay, and so ma'am, did you contact your insurance company to find out which places offer outpatient counseling that are covered by your insurance?
No, I went and I just went online myself. I didn't contact the insurance, no. I just called probably like a few of them. Sorry.
Ma'am?
Yes.
If you are contacting outpatient counseling services and they're not accepting your insurance, don't you think that it would be most prudent to contact your insurance company to find out some names of outpatient counseling that is covered, that does accept your insurance?
Yeah. I didn't think about it. Yes, I didn't think about it, but yes.
So did you contact your probation officer at any point to let her know that you were having, please let me finish, to let her know that you were having trouble finding somebody that would take your insurance?
Well, I told her that when I sat with her.
When?
A week and like a couple weeks ago.
Okay.
Maybe like.
And so what was the response?
She just said, I said, that there's this that lady Sandy said she does it, but I haven't been able to get a hold of Sandy. So she told me to try to set up something with Sandy. And Sandy, I need to get signatures from Sandy. Sandy, I met her at the fan meeting. So she's the one the Stanford House Sandy.
Okay, yes, but I don't believe that she does outpatient counseling, ma'am.
She told me she does them on Thursdays.
Okay, that I'm not aware of.
Okay.
That would be the third Thursday of the month is the fan meetings. And have you attended any fan meetings?
Yeah, I've been to 2.
Is that yes?
Yes, I've been to 2.
Okay, and which 2 were you at?
I was at the one where they were giving out all the Narcan, and then I was at the one I missed the one June. I was in June because July I missed, or August I missed, so I was at July because I keep getting the days mixed up.
You said you went to 2, so which months were those in?
Oh, so June, I think June and August, I believe it was June. I left the paper at the fan meeting, so that's why I was trying to get that back.
How did you try to get that back, ma'am?
Huh? I was trying to see if I could get that back. Sandy's been there with me. She knows I've been there.
Did you have Sandy put something in writing to submit to probation? Because at this point, ma'am, we don't have any proof of that.
Well, I will have Sandy do it. I've just like we've been working opposite schedules. So when I'm going to like try to meet up with her, she's like all the way on the other end of town because she's a busy lady too. Like our schedules are, she's a busy lady. Like she's always like, doing something. So sometimes our schedules don't meet up.
Where is it you're working, ma'am?
And I told probation we have 5 locations of East Pizza. Right now I'm at the downtown location. So I've working a lot down there. And before I was working at the location where Sandy could just come there. It was easy. Now it's a little bit harder.
What is your shift, ma'am?
Like sometimes it's 10 in the morning to 12 at night. It depends because I'm responsible because there's no help. There's no employees. So some days when I'm supposed to leave at 4, I can't leave. I got to stay until midnight because there's no work. There's no help.
And how many days a week do you work, ma'am?
6, 7. Like I don't really take off a whole day. I can't. There's no employees.
Okay. All right. Well, then you must be receiving some good compensation then, correct?
It's all, I mean, yes and no. I have kids that I help my kid's dad. Like I help my mom. But I'm not making a lot of money. I'm salary. I'm supposed to make bonuses. And the store keeps going negative because the people before me were stealing. So no, I'm making like maybe $500 a week, but I'm spending 100 something in gas. I don't get I'm not making money. No. And I'm spending it all towards everything else. Rent. I'm behind on my rent. Like I'm just going through it right now.
So then what are you helping your mom with? If you're not living with your mom?
No, my mom takes care of my grandma and my grandfather just passed away. So my grandma has no income. So I help them a little bit. I try to give them some money.
Yeah. Okay. Well, that's very kind of you, but you don't have that ability. So they'll have to figure that out some other way.
Yeah.
Because you have rent, you have child support to pay for the children and things of that nature. You have court costs. You haven't made a payment on now in 5 months.
Yeah. I made a big payment though. I on the April I paid like a lot. So I only owe like $400, $450. I can pay $100 today. Like I was telling my Mr. Shemke, this is the first paycheck I've had where I can start getting back on my feet. And I get paid today after 5.
When's the last time you made a payment?
In April, but I made like a large payment to the
but your balance is still $1,000.
I thought my probation officer said it was $450. I must have misunderstood.
Your total due, ma'am, was $2,650. $1,000 was applied from your bond, and then it appears though you may have made a $650 payment. You still have a $1,000 balance.
Oh, I thought she said I had 400. I'm sorry. Well, I can pay today. I can pay some today when I get my paycheck.
Ma'am?
Yes.
If I have you tested today, what's in your system?
Oh, nothing. Just my medication.
Are you taking that as prescribed?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to have you test today. I'm going to adjourn this 1 week.
Okay.
So you'll be back. 1 week is like right. September 5th.
Okay.
At 9:30.
Okay.
You're to test today. And you're to contact your insurance company and get a list of areas that cover or accept your insurance for your outpatient counseling. And you're to have an appointment scheduled.
Okay.
And ma'am, you might want to contact Sandy, if that's who you're saying knows that you've been at these fan meetings.
Okay.
You have something in writing.
Okay, I will.
All right, we'll see you back then. You can email into Marcy a little bit later today. Actually, email into probation right now, please, so they can give you the information as to how to test today.
Okay.
And so you have to do that before you go to work.
Okay. Where do I go to test? Actually, I'm actually late for work right now.
Ma'am, contact into probation. They will tell you where you need to test.
Okay.
Okay, there may be a location near you at work, so that's fine if you test while, if you leave work and go test, that's fine.
Okay.
Yes. So here's what I'm going to, also indicate, ma'am, is that,
The volume.
If you are, I'm just going to let you know, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
If you do not have all of that submitted by the end of this week, you will be going to jail next week.
Okay. I just need to get signatures. That's it.
That's not the only thing you have to do, ma'am, so I hope you paid attention to everything I just said.
Yeah, I have to get an appointment for the outpatient. I'm going to make a payment for my probation. I have to get it in writing for Sandy saying I've been at the fan meetings. Sandy's got to give me some signatures on my, on my other stuff. So I need to see Sandy anyhow. But she knows that's where I met Sandy, was the fan meeting.
I understand that.
Yeah.
So did you see me at the fan meeting that you were at?
No, I haven't seen you. The two I've been at, you haven't been at.
Okay. All right. We'll see you back next Tuesday. And just so you know, man, next Tuesday is in person.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay. Thank you.
Nothing.
You have a good day.
Bye-bye.
All right. Off the record.
Will you hand me my screen box?
I can't get no sleep, please make my life more simple. Miles inside these shoes, so I don't stop my tiptoe. Fell 1,000 times, still
Can you hear it? Can you hear it? Ma'am? Ma'am? Can you hear it?
No.
Okay.
I have no patience for that. And trust me, out of the day, I'm sitting up here, I'm the one that needs a drink.